Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to update all of your Retroarch cores at once on Android. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is of course have Retroarch installed, have some cores installed in your Retroarch, and we're going to need to open up Retroarch on our Android device. What we're going to be doing from this point is coming to our home screen on the bottom left, clicking our home button right here. We're then going to be scrolling down until we see the online updater option, and what we're going to be doing is clicking and opening this up. From this point at the second option to the top, we have the update installed cores here, and you can see it'll update all installed cores to the latest available version. What we need to do is click this and then it's going to automatically check each core installed in your Android device, see if there's any updates available, and then automatically update and install all of your core updates for each of the installed cores. You'll see an update and progress bar at the bottom. Once all the text disappears, your cores will be installed. This is a really nice feature, so you don't actually have to go back and update each one manually, especially if you have a lot of cores installed like me. It's really nice to see this as an option and it's really easy to do. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.